Alright guys, we are under the 2015 diesel and we're going to do an oil change together. Now we don't have a lot of the issues on these that we experience on the 996s and 997s and 986s, etc. But I figure if I'm going to do it, why don't we just do it together? People tend to get some usefulness out of my oil change videos, so why not? And then we're gonna cut the filter open. Now this drain plug is in a stupid spot in this car. I don't know why they put it right above the cross member. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So I am completely assuming nothing's going to be floating or any of that craziness in this car, just because these don't have the problems. Alright, let's just try to not make a mess, because I just cleaned my driveway. But it's always easier said than done. Yuck. Diesel oil. Nasty. So, I'm going to say it's due, but diesel oil does run dirty. So, honestly, it's hard to tell. But, it's a moot point, because we're going to do it anyway. So, being due or not, it's getting done. Ugh. Now the filter is up top. I've already broken it loose. I just did oil change on an Infinity. Not something I normally sell. A G37. And it only held 5.2 quarts. Which, that was crazy. I hadn't done an oil change that held 5.2 quarts in years, literally years. So I'm under here again, just kind of looking at everything. Everything looks super dry. Nothing to be concerned about on the underside. So the oil looks clean, just looks like diesel oil. So we're going to let that drain, and we're going to go cut open the filter because we can. This also might show some people that changing oil in these cars is actually really easy. Especially on the Cayennes, because the filter's up top. Man, diesel oil gets so much dirtier than gas oil. That's crazy. I didn't even make a mess in my driveway. Look at that. Alright, let's get over here. You like my Boxer 911 hood? Man, I got so much stuff. I got parts everywhere. that keep draining. Okay. So you can do an oil change yourself for like 50 or 60 bucks. I don't even know what shops charge, honestly. More than that. That's for sure. More than that. So everything in the baffles looks good. Nothing to be concerned about. Just diesel oil. Alright guys. There you go. Ugh, making a mess. Making a mess. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.